So my name's Paul Wallis. I'm the plant manager at 3M in Bridgend. I decided this was the right course for me and my team because I was quite intrigued with the idea of combining insights with health and safety at work. I think the new skills I was hoping to develop together with my team was for everyone to understand their responsibilities for health and safety in our operation. I like the idea of it being work-based and very practical, addressing a specific concern. As I mentioned, I also like the idea of combining insights and being able to get my entire team on the course, and to do that then we've been using insights explicitly in work since the course has been completed. I guess some of the key skills that I learned in particular was the reflection aspect, so consciously thinking about what's happened, how you could have done it differently and how you would do it better in the future. So that's something that I hadn't really consciously considered previously, and I found that particularly useful. I think what I enjoyed most about the course were the delivery days, so the interaction with my team and then the other learners as well. So they're all very lively, fun, and covered a lot of ground. Obviously, having everyone away from the operation for the full day did create some challenges, but I also felt one of the key benefits of the course was being able to have the entire team participate, learn together, and as mentioned, using the insights to understand each other and how we can work more effectively in the future. It has been a challenge to study and work at the same time, but I think the course is a good balance of being demanding and stimulating, but not being overly onerous. So it's probably been 50-50 in terms of time taken at work versus working in my own time at weekends. I think the demands of the course are absolutely workable. I think that's testament that all 9 people from my team who started the course completed the course, and the feedback has been very positive from them. So one of my key expectations for the course was for people to take on a practical issue that we had and to provide a realistic solution. So some of those are already in place, and others need further work, and we're working through them as part of our safety priorities within the plant. Again, one of my personal aspirations is to use the reflective aspects of what I've learned on this course, to take time out to consciously consider some of the things that have happened during the week, not just for health and safety, but in a more wider sense, because I found that particularly helpful in understanding and figuring out how I do things differently in the future. I think what the course has given me and what the insights part of the course has given me is that understanding that people approach things from a very different perspective. Understanding that and appreciating that is critical to getting the best from them and not being overly judgmental. Having the course funded by the EU enabled me to send 9 people, so my entire leadership team, on this course. I don't believe that would have been possible through financial constraints if the funding had not been available. And as I mentioned, one of the key benefits for me was able to get everyone together, working through the course, what the learning outcomes could be, and addressing those practical concerns. What I'd say to people who are considering a work-based learning approach is that it will generally deliver a practical solution for you, as well as delivering the academic accreditation, so I can thoroughly recommend it.